Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to this update today. So DAR, I don't know what the full name, I don't know, Dalarnia, or something like that, whatever Narnia this is, but the coin is a requested coin, which I will be talking about today. So I have already marked some few places that this coin has struggled in the past to really break above, and I think that it's down. It's really down. Of course, the prices are down. We haven't seen any massive run with the coin. It's still in a bear market, kind of a price accumulation. The all-time high was back at $16. Okay, so that is really a far off distance. If it ever goes back here, we're talking about 100x. But is it going to go back? I really do not know. But one thing is that on a higher time frame, we've already seen a break of a downtrend. You can see that this was your downtrend right over there, and you've already broken it. So one touch, move down, another touch, move down, one touch here, move down, one here, move down, break above, a sideways movement, consolidation. Now, we are actually making an uptrend, basically. So if we do see on a bigger picture here, this is a little bit of an uptrend going on. And as far as I'm concerned, this is a little bit of a very good place to start buying dollar once again. So you have a pullback or whatever this pushback is. So one touch, a move up, one touch, move up. And right now you have some few touches going on, which is actually pretty good, which means that buying here can actually be good. And if you create a channel, we might be looking at something like this as well. Do you see that? It could actually create a channel, and in the future, if things push to the upside, we might be looking for a push to $0.48, which is actually 48 cents. And that's all for the video update today. And if you start to basically lose this trend line, if you fall below the trend line, your next support is actually back down to 0.077. That's where you have your floor one more time. That would actually be another good entry based on long term. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.